Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate a conditional in a function in C. So I've included my header file and my main function. The first thing I'm going to do is create a function prototype, and we're going to declare that the function is going to be void, not int, and it's going to be Dean's age, and we're going to pass in an integer, which is a season. This is our function prototype. Okay. Now I'm going to go down to the end of the file here, and we're going to create that function. So it's going to be Dean's underscore age. We're passing in an integer, which is a season. And then within the function, we'll say if season is less than 16, well, then what we're going to do is we are going to do a printf statement, and we're going to say Dean's age in season percentage D, so whatever the season is that we passed in is percentage D, and we'll put a period and a /n there, and then we'll say, well, we have the season variable, and then 25 plus the season variable will be his current age. Okay. Otherwise, we're going to return a printf statement that says you entered an invalid season. The reason being is there are only 15 seasons in Supernatural, so if you enter 16 or higher, you're going to enter an invalid season. I'm going to save this, and let's now go back up to our main function here. And in our main function, we're going to create an integer called season. We're going to printf to enter a season in Supernatural and put a semicolon at the end of that. We're going to scan f. We're going to scan the integer in, and remember we need the ampersand here, and we want to scan in the season, and then we're going to call the Dean's age function passing in the season variable, and at the end of the main function we're going to return 0. Okay, let's save this. And one thing that I forgot to do here was put a semicolon here, so let's now save it again, and let's open up eShell or whatever terminal you're using, and we're going to compile this file into, let's call it condition, or COND for condition underscore FUNC for function. Okay, and now let's run this. Okay, enter a season in Supernatural. Let's do 5. Dean's age in season 5 is 30. Okay, let's do 8. Oh, let's run it again. Let's do 8. Dean's age in season 8 is 33. Let's run it one more time, and let's enter season 16. You entered an invalid season because there's only 15 seasons in Supernatural. Anyways, I hope you found this video interesting. It was a different way to get the same result as the previous video, a different way to style the function. So I think the more ways you know, the better. I hope you found it interesting. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. It really does help the channel grow. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.